We're about to embark on an epic ride through the Jurassic period here in Pigeon Forge. Where else? Still waiting in line. Hey there. Oh! What is that? You're not scary. He's still carrying the baby around. Never mind. Is he choking? He sounds like he's choking. His little hands are moving. Oh! See his eyes. Okay, can we move now? I think that dinosaur died. T-Rex. Bunch of teeth. Triceratops, but what is that? What is that? Well, scariest snake I've ever seen. I don't know about y'all. We survived. Just as goofy as I remember.